In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an automated welcome email in Mailchimp for your new subscribers. Setting up a welcome email is a great way to introduce yourself to your audience and ensure they start off with a great first impression of your brand or business. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a seamless welcome email ready to greet anyone who signs up. Before we dive into the steps, let's quickly go over what you'll need to get started. First off, you'll need a Mailchimp account. It's important to note that features may vary based on your plan, and some automation features might require a paid plan. You'll also need an audience setup, which is essentially your list of subscribers. Finally, ensure that you have a sign-up form or landing page so that people can easily subscribe and join your audience. All right, with everything prepped and ready, let's get started. Begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once logged in, head over to the automation section. Depending on the version you're using, this might also be labeled as Automations Customer Journeys. It's where all the automation magic happens. Next, you'll want to choose the Classic Automations option, if it's available to you, and select Welcome New Subscribers. This feature is specifically designed for creating a welcoming experience for your new audience members. Now give your automation a name. Something simple and descriptive will do, like Welcome Series. After that, pick the audience, your list, of subscribers that this welcome email will be connected to. This step is crucial because it ensures that your welcome email reaches the right people, namely, those who've just signed up. One of the key decisions you'll need to make is when the email should be sent. You can set it up to go out immediately or after a small, strategic delay. An immediate send can capture your subscribers' attention right away, while a slight delay might feel more intentional and less automated. Once you've set that up, it's time to edit the email content itself. This is your chance to make a great impression, so be sure to carefully craft your subject line, the from name and email, the body copy, and even any images you want to include. Think about what you'd like to say to your new subscribers and how you can best represent your brand. After you've got everything looking just the way you want, review all the details to ensure everything is correct. Finally, activate or start the automation flow. Once active, any new subscriber will automatically receive your welcome email. And there you have it, a comprehensive welcome email setup that's both thoughtful and automated. By following these steps, you can create an inviting and informative introduction that sets the stage for a positive relationship with your subscribers. Thank you for watching, and happy mailing.